It is so special to me to see people gifting our products and spreading our mission of wellness and recovery.
It's just so beautiful to know that we play that part in our customers' lives. Q4 is our most critical time of the year, when gifting season is at its peak.
We actually start preparing early, as early as April and May, to make sure that the site is stable, that we have the photography that we need, all the merchandise is going to be in on time, to make sure that we're prepared to have the biggest holiday season ever.
During Q4, the majority of Google ad revenue comes from branded search, which makes sense because Eberjey pajamas are extremely comfortable and a super popular gift, which means there is an increase in demand. For non-branded search, the volume of searches that contain the word pajamas really spike. So we invest accordingly to make sure we are showing up for any and all pajama-related keywords. For the past 2 years, from Q3 to Q4, we've increased our budget about 150% between all Google advertising. Our revenue from Google channels grows at an average of 145% year over year.
Eberjey means joy, and it really resonated with us because that's the feeling we want to bring to our customers.
I hope more customers can have access and be inspired by the softer side of life.